Hello students, here we are to continue our learning on the virtual platform. Before we begin our today's discussion, let us quickly recapitulate what we have seen in the last session. So the last session we have discussed about the SRC attributes, what is handling images in HTML and all. Okay, now today we are going to alter attribute. We will learn different attribute which should along with the image take. The first one is alter attribute. Now how to use the attribute is given here. Now what is the use of this attribute? Now sometimes the internet speed is slow, on internet connection is slow, and the image takes too much longer time to download than till the gets image downloaded. Till that much time whatever you have written here gains alter attribute, that alternative of image that will be displayed on the screen, so it will be helpful for the user. You will become to know, chalo bhai, this image is a so and so thing. Now what should be written here? Against alter, then against alt you can either write name of the image as we have given here example. You can also write the complete path image src rainbow.pmp alter equal this is a rainbow, that is complete source of the image along with the name. Both the things could be written here. Then it is always advisable to define this attribute, that is alter attribute should have be defined as is describe the name of the image. Another reasons is that some formats are not supported. Some formats of images may not be supported by some browsers, and image may not be loaded at alter on the browser's screen. Then in such case also the users will come to know that what was the image about. And one more reason is that now sometimes web page is read by the software such as a screen reader and search engine. The interpretation of the image becomes easy. Now next two attributes are there, height and width. Now these attributes provides us this option to change the image to the size of our own wish. How it is used? The example is given here. Image src rainbow.jpg alter, this is rainbow, height equal 120 and width equal 180 in pixels. The width attribute indicates the browsers how wide the image should appear on the page. The height attribute specify how tall the image should appear on the page. Values of both width and height attributes can be specified using the number of pixels. It is not compulsory to use both the width and height arguments together. You can use any one of them. However, using only one attribute will not be such useful. Now next topic is align attribute. Align attribute could have any of the four values which are given here. It could be left, right, top, bottom and middle. First one, top, the image is aligned at the top of the current line of text. Middle, the image is aligned in such a way that the middle of the image appears at the current text. Bottom, the bottom of the image is aligned with the baseline of the current line of text. Left, the image is aligned to the left side of the containing window or element, right? The image is aligned to the right side of the containing window or element. Next attribute is border attribute. Now this is very useful attribute. Many of the times we want to give border to the image to many more emphasis the image, then using the attribute we can add border of different thickness to the image. Next attribute is ID attributes. With the help of the ID attribute you can use specify any identifier. It is its a name for the image. Later the image can be referred by the identifier in a script writer in a programming language such as a Java. Example, image ss equal chocolate.png, id equal chalk underscore image. Then comes the attributes is low SRC, means low resolution image. Now what is the use of attribute? That suppose you have to create a website with the high definition images, very sharp images, then the size of that image will also be too big, and if the connection speed of the users is slow then it will take time for him to load the image in the browser. Then what you do is you can create the same image with low resolution. That means it is compressed image will be the same but it will be in compressed mode and the size of the image will be smaller. So the smaller size image you can use along with the low SRC attribute, so up till the main image gets uploaded in the browser, till that much time the users will be able to see the image of the same thing in low resolution. Next attribute and last attribute is H space and V space attributes, means adding space around image, which could be used with image tag is H space and V space. H means horizontal and V means vertical. Now if you want to insert a H space is on both the side of the image, then you can use H space attribute, and if you want to use V space, that is space on up and top on the bottom of image, you can use V space. We learn in practical exam here H space equal 100 and V space equal 200. See in output here we given the tabulate information of the different image file formats which could be used in preparing any web page. First one, BMP bitmap graphic files for Windows and OS2, GIF graphics interchange file, JPG, JPEG, IFF image file, JPEG joint photographic expert group file, PNG portable network graphic bitmap graphic file, TIFF tag image file format bitmap file. Okay students, next topic we will learn in next turn. Thank you.